Okay, so this is my Edison industrial style pendant lamp I made. Originally it had a metal cage, which is this one over here. I kind of squashed it, but the pieces of wire moved around and weren't steady, so I decided to buy one. The light looks funny over here. Anyway, so I went and bought this one at Menards. Everything was bought in Menards basically, but the light bulb is a vintage style one from here. This is my second one I bought because last night when I was just finishing it, I didn't have the cage on it, and the cord slipped from my hand, and the light bulb went flying to the ground and met its end and exploded everywhere, and there was glass all over the floor and stuff. That was kind of disappointing, so I had to buy a new one. But there you can see the bulb. And then this is just a regular light socket and with the little switch thingy. And then I had to wrap a whole bunch of electrical tape around the end so it would fit. But I like that because it's brass colored, and that's kind of matches that color. And then here's my favorite part, the electrical cord. It's covered in cloth to make it look like it's a vintage old style electric cord, even though it's not. It's actually just electrical wire like that. I took the nylon core out of a shoelace, pulled that out, which is really difficult. This thing was like a long Chinese finger trap, so I first had to pull that off, which is about 4 feet. Then I had to thread it onto a piece of wire, and then I had to attach the wire to the electrical wire and pull that down. So that took a whole day to figure out how to do that, but it looks really, really nice. The camera doesn't really pick it up very well. Okay, well, it won't focus anyway. And then I have this cord here, and then that just goes into that. That hangs. You turn off some lights here. There's its nice little orange glow. It's running at 120 volts. I'm going to put a dimmer switch on it and run it off about 60 volts. Got a very nice glow to it. It actually runs all the way down on only 12 volts.